Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to clean and decorate with me my entryway for winter 2022. Also, this video is a part of close collaboration with my group, the GlamSquad. Alright everyone, let's get it started. Guys, this is our first video of 2022 in my group, the GlamSquad. The GlamSquad member are myself, Glamour Ellen, In of Luxury Living with N, Tammy of Glam Queen of Decor, and I would like to welcome Solly of My Style, My Colors to be a part of our group. Everyone, after you watch my video, please go over to my girls' channel and tell them I sent you. Their link will be in my description box along with the playlist. If you want to purchase this Fiddle fig tree, it was from Target and it looks real. It looks very high-end, everyone. Here, I decided to put my bookends in my lamp to have the unique look, and I'm liking it. So here's my inspiration. I'm going to recreate this style right here because I do have the bust that I bought from the antique store. And here's the bust that I bought from the antique store 3 years ago. I'm also gonna add necklace on her as what the picture is. Guys, I highly recommend these flowers right here from at home, and this one from Target. So if you like these flowers, you can check it out in Target and at home. Also, this flowers reminds me of Crate and Barrel, and in cheaper price from Crate and Barrel. Welcome to my Entryway and Winter Room Tour 2022.
Remember me, I remember you. I've been thinking about you more than ever. I guess I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. 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 Remember me, I remember you. I've been thinking about you more than ever. I guess I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now
If you like my video today, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. Everyone, please don't forget to stop by to the rest of the members of the Glam Squad, N of Luxury Living with N, Tammy of Glam Queen of Decor, Solly of My Style, My Colors. Their link will be in my description box along with the playlist. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye! Be safe!